as a nation, why pray? There, man. Nice shoulder, I want to look like one indeed. How that? Active little daddy. People are who this. The great blood clot red boom. Yeah. I never know we that link up. How I go on your socks through the setup. Pussy clot now. I'm out.
Well, guys, welcome back to Tea Time with Tea. In today's video, you'll see Kartel looks like he's ready to drop a new song. He's in the studio with his son, Little Addy. You know, as you can see, the boss is ready for drop anytime now. So stay tuned for that. But if it's your first time on this channel, make sure you subscribe so you don't miss out on the latest updates. And I'd really appreciate it if you leave a like on this video. Stay tuned. Congratulations are in order for Ding Dong and his girlfriend. Looks like they're having a boy. Congratulations. He's going to be a dad. That's a big thing. Big thing. Welcome. Welcome to the world of parenting. So there's this lady on TikTok that says that Sidem just come and want marry that one princess life and Shorty go through Wallip, so she just come and want everything. But check this out.
Much Shorty got through when in the day with blood clot card. You think you should just come and just have a princess life? No, can't tell her about a princess blood clot life.
Tell me you guys' thoughts on that. Do you think that Sidem and Kartel go last forever? You think them a rushy wedding? Do you think that Kartel and Shorty should have get their back? Leave your thoughts below. I saw a clipping on Pink Wall regarding the Prime Minister and Your Holiness about some missing money or some sort of money that was not claimed. And Cliff Hughes was breaking it down. So apparently the Prime Minister didn't declare some funds and he had multiple accounts in different people's names, over 300,000. So the government and the people of Jamaica are wondering what or where did those money come from and what is he doing with it or where he get it from. But check this out and you guys tell me your thoughts. But before we get into that, make sure you subscribe to the channel if this is your first time so you don't miss out on the latest updates. Like this video, leave a comment and share. Check this out.
The report has apparently, and notice I'm choosing my words very, very carefully because me not see it. Me not have a copy. Yeah? Apparently the report has found a number of bank accounts where the Prime Minister's name is attached to. Bank accounts that apparently were not declared. And this is where we want to see the report. Why were they not declared? Why? Did he use them? Over what period of time did he use them? When were they discovered? And what did the Integrity Commission say to him? Yeah? About these accounts when he did not declare them. Is it a fact that the Integrity Commission watched these accounts for 2-3 years? And what took place with them? Is it a fact that the Integrity Commission went to great lengths to hire at considerable expense an international forensic investigator to check out the Prime Minister's financial affairs? And what did they find? What did they find? What did they find?
450 performed at his Canada Sold Out show. Check out his performance. Guys, are you ready for the December show? Vybz Kartel come out and explain how he's going to perform. He's gonna tell you how the first set of songs, what to expect, you know, which version of him you're gonna hear first, why go include also some new songs. So check this out.
People who need to treat. Because all we're going to do it now, we're doing it in a sections. So remember, you have the Black Cartel, which is the teacher. You have the Bleach Out Cartel, which is the world boss. In between that, you have the Warrior Shell, where when me and my father in a things. You know what I mean? And then you have some big song where are between 2002 and 2011, we're kind of not fit in another category, but them a big song. Then you have the Prison Cartel, because you a lot of people now met, because internet about, and you know, with the advent of the internet, you feel so close to the artist. People now remember some of a catalog from 2011 to 2024, but nobody never seen me perform yet.
So getting the class ready, getting the money up, getting the makeup and the wig and the shoes and the Air Force, everything ready for December 1st. So we see Sean Storm, looks like he's making another music video that's about to drop. So you guys check this out.
Yeah, you did actually. One night time I did have it. Remember you're funny, right? Action, ready, feeding, music. Okay. I mean, I would do you know how it is. Active man. Yeah, no. You're fresh out of prison. Oh, yeah, this sounds reason.
In this next clip, you will see how King and Shay met, how they started dating, and he's gonna tell you how he finally got her to be his girl. Check this out.
King eat away Shay from her man.
And I can't fuck a guy one go club and I go buy him 4 Magnum. And so I came go back on me yard, so I carry back home, I bring her over her yard, and she talk about so she know I gone on her yard, she want come in my house. That time I have my woman, you know, and my woman supposed to come from work, you know.
Big up yourself, Junior.
And I bring her in my blood clot house. I said, I give Sasha blood clot name. Sasha man come look for me next day and Sasha hide him man to blood clot.
Yeah, man, it me way for real.
Oh, yeah, I'm you know.
You know say it eat more for real.
People, me telling you something, people. When I used to work hard, taxi man, yeah.
Hey, me feel like began up now hide again to backside. People used to shame and free without certain things. Now everybody is like, yeah, this is what happened. But anyways, guys, thanks for watching. That's it for now. If this is your first time on this channel, make sure you subscribe so you don't miss out on the latest updates. I'd really appreciate it if you leave a like on this video, leave a comment, and share. I'll see you next time. Bye.